Okay, stability test. I've just tried it once and the batteries fell out, so we're doing it again. The sun's gone in though. Oh, it's come out for the moment. Alright. Drowning. 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 Pretty easy really. If I think I'm in it, pulling it down a bit. Won't have as far to go. Oh yeah. Okay. Safety device. And proper drowning. The sun's coming out. Not. Let's have a look at what we've got. There's the tipping point. Do you fancy doing it? Escape that way, innit? Letting a bit of water in. Oh, it's freezing. I don't know why I want to drink it. Get plenty of oxygen in the lung. The greater part of me pulled my shoulder out. Pulled my shoulder out. I've really hurt my shoulder. Oh, that's a cracked back now. Did it look really professional? I used the bottom actually. Sun's out. Can't ask for any more, can you? Well, if I didn't have the side of the pond, I'd drown. I hate it, that's horrible, isn't it? Am I looking very professional? Yeah, I'm dragging myself. I need a pool, swimming pool. That's it. Okay, I've got the hang of lying right back. Really does help, but my batteries have fell out. That's why I'm on the cockle. So I'm going to strap my batteries in again, even better, and then I'm going to come back like a real Eskimo, because I want to do some rolling. Like having an escape ramp in your backyard, isn't it? Alright then. Okay, the water temperature is a balmy 12.1 degrees. An Eskimo, that's subtropical, isn't it? Just get a feel for it. Make yourself at home. Make yourself look natural. Lean back. Went up my nose. Goes up your nose if you put your head back. They look very professional. Okay. Stop messing about. Cut the crumb. Horrible. Do you know what? Just don't tip over in it. Just don't tip over in it. Oh yeah, you're supposed to do that. I don't know. I don't know if my arse is moving around too much in it. I know, yeah, I'll put the jacket on in a minute. You're supposed to get used to it. That's horrible. Just getting it above. Look at that. Get your hand on the bottom.
Got it?
I'll try and make this one look like fun. Just got to bounce off the bed. Might have a pair of gloves on or something. Alright then, so doing my duty. Batteries have stayed in, so I can do some jumps now. And I know that I'll look a bit. I'll have to scoot it over. I'll have to sit. Hey. Don't get a laugh. See you on the river very, very shortly. See you later, mates. Doing my duty. Toodaloo. Toodaloo.